Will the Bank of England drop interest rates on Thursday, the 9th of May? Well, there's a big chance it would, because apparently Sweden has just dropped their interest rates today. And although the Fed are a long way away from doing this, the UK could possibly lead it and will actually do us all a favour. Businesses are failing by the tens of thousands. Mortgage arrears have gone up by over 50%. The housing market demand is absolutely flatlined, where it had picked up slightly earlier in the year. And yes, of course, the banks are lending, but it is a very, very high rate of borrowing, and it's very difficult to stack deals at these stress testing these at this rate. So guys, I think your guess is as good as mine. I'm going for a unchanged base rate and really hoping for a base rate cut. What's your view on this, guys? Either way, you need to come to Titans on Thursday the 9th of May and find out where the opportunities are. Obviously, if there's a base rate cut, there's going to be a huge surge of market activity. People are going to start looking. There's going to be a huge increase in demand from home buyers and possibly investors and developers as well. And rate drops hopefully should follow soon by the lenders. And if it doesn't, well, when are you expecting the next one? Apparently the inflation rates in the UK are on a downward trend, but the April figures have not been released, and they're expecting inflation to be at 1.6%, guys, in June. So not so far away. So there is obviously a lot of positive news in the horizon, but is that going to be tomorrow, Thursday, the 9th of May? And where are the opportunities one way or the other, whether the interest rates drop or stay the same? You need to come and meet Scott Marshall, with over 20 years of banking experience and the CEO and founder of ROMA Finance. In addition, Simon Sherlock, with again over 20 years of experience in banking, is going to share some case studies of who he's lent money to, the developers, the brand, the deal, talk about numbers, raising money from high net worth individuals and the likes. And last but not the least, Davin and Atuksha from Simple Crowdfunding, who've got a really good history of lending money to the right developers for the right deal. And they're talking about building a brand to raise money from the Titans community, because we are collaborating with Simple to raise money for our developers from the crowd. So guys, book your tickets for the last few spaces left. It's Team Titans on Korat UK, and the event kicks off at 5:30 p.m. at Crown Plaza in Gerrards Cross, which is over 20-minute journey from London Marylebone. And we also have a hot food buffet as well. So come along, guys, have a look at how you can make 2024 your best year yet, and raise money from the crowd.